to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a unboxing Look Fantastic. Now, as you've seen in the thumbnail, it's a different kind of Look Fantastic box. It's not a box, it's a bag. It's absolutely brilliant. I will show you everything anyway, but everything inside this is all the kind of necessary bits that Look Fantastic puts in their boxes. So without further ado, let's get on to showing you my unboxing of my Look Fantastic box. This is this month's box. Well, technically it's a bag, and it is from Look Fantastic because it has it on the back of the bag. Now these bags are absolutely beautiful. If you don't know what Look Fantastic is, Look Fantastic is a makeup website who has makeup, cosmetics, load of like hair products, hair brushes and stuff like that. They do absolutely so many. Sometimes they like to switch up to, instead of boxes, they do bags, which I actually love, by the way, because they come in very, very handy, especially if you're traveling or going away for the weekend or just going around your mate's house and you want something to put your makeup in, then these bags come in very, very handy. So everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys, so please go and check them out. I'm trying to get an affiliate link for the Look Fantastic, but everything will be in the description box below for you guys anyway. Let's get into unboxing this beauty. So as you can see, it's a bag this month. So this is the July's Look Fantastic. It comes in this beautiful, lovely looking, like I don't know what kind of colour you would describe this, like a really pale green, grey kind of colour, I don't know. But like in the boxes, they come with a little booklet. So the booklet, it tells you about all the products, how to use them properly, and so on and so on. That comes in your box every month, so you get one of them every month. Now, oh, I'm so excited. So the first product is this. This is the I cannot speak, sorry about that. The Glow Gorgeous Define Anti-Polluten Leave-In Spray. So this is like a leave-in spray, which I cannot wait to actually give it a go. I think it's for your hair. See, this is where the booklet comes in handy, because if you don't understand, or if you never even used the product before, then this booklet comes in handy. So yeah, it's a leave-in spray. By the way, guys, if you hear any noises in the background, I do apologise. My fiance is in the shower right now and he likes to play his music and sing along. But yeah, this is a gorgeous spray. I've not sprayed it yet, so I'm so looking forward to that. There is a couple of things in here that I've been dying to use, but haven't actually bought it yet. Next product is this. Now this is absolutely incredible. This is a face and body tan mist. Cucumber Soothe and Moisturizes. Now this is kind of good for like in the not in the winter, in the summer. I'm just going to take off these glasses a second. And oh, it smells incredible, by the way, guys. It smells incredible. These ain't my actual glasses, by the way. These are my UV glasses from Airy Club. I use them when I'm looking at a screen or on my camera, on my phone, when I'm at home. I don't take them to work with me because I'm not exactly looking at the computer screen all day, every day. So I only use them when I'm at home. But yeah, this is absolutely incredible. I will bring it closer so you guys can see. You probably won't be able to see that. I hope you can. But it's a face and body mist, so this is kind of good for in the summer, especially if you're lounging in the garden and your face is getting a little bit hot and sweaty and you need to cool down. This guy is brilliant. So the next thing I have in this month's box is this. So this is the Star Skin VIP 7 Seconds Luxury All Day Mask. So this is a 7-in-1 Miracle Skin pad, mask pad. Now I've never had a mask pad before, so you just put your fingers, I'll bring it closer so you guys can see, it's like a little mask pocket thing. You put your fingers inside the actual mask itself and you rub it around your face. So I've never had one of these before, so I'm so excited to try that out and give it a go. Now these last few little bits here I'm absolutely in love with. So this little guy here, this is El Mascar Beyond Liquid Highlighter in OMG. Now this is very, very tiny, and I cannot wait to try this out because the colour looks so incredible. It looks like a gold colour, which I cannot wait to try out. These last two products are, this one is a Rimmel London lipstick. Now this looks very, very interesting. I love Rimmel London's products anyway, but I think it looks like a red colour. Does it have the shade? Rose wine. Yeah, I think it's a red colour. I don't really tend to use red that much, but I will even give it a go. I'm just going to swatch. Oh my god, look how red that is. It looks really nice colour actually. It don't look like too red. I'm just going to swatch it. Oh, it is a red. So this is in the shade Rose Wine 225. If any of you guys are interested. It's a Rimmel London one, and it's got like the clear bit, so you can actually see the colour as well. I will bring it to the camera so you guys can see. I hope you guys are picking that up. But it's actually a really nice, like a dark red instead of like a proper red. Then the last product I saw in this, I absolutely fell in love with. I absolutely love this product because I've actually got a few of their products before in the glossy boxes. They do like limited edition of this product, and I absolutely love it. So this is the Elemis product. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. Now, I have a few products from Elemis. I can tell you now, they are incredible. Literally incredible. They are really expensive, but they are incredible, and I love them so much. Now, I've never used a glow priming before, so this will be very handy in using to try out in my makeup. Sorry, my eye's flicking, and I've got something in my eye, and it's really irritating me. That's better. But yeah, Elemis is so amazing. It's so rich as well, but very, very expensive. So please, if you ever do purchase any Elemis products, please don't use too much of it because they are so expensive but so brilliant at the same time. I absolutely love it. I've got Elemis Marine Cream, I've got the Night Cream, I've got the Marine Oil. Oh yeah, I love them so much. So yeah, thank you Look Fantastic for putting Elemis product in this month's box, or bag should I say, and I'll bring that closer so you guys can see as well. Guys, that has been today's video. This has been an unboxing July Look Fantastic box. I hope you guys have enjoyed it so much. I love these boxes every month. I really do, because I get so excited about all the products. And I hope you enjoy them too. If you've purchased any, please let me know what kind of favourite products you've received in your boxes so far. I would love to know what kind of products is your favourite. Mine's got to be the Elemis products. I absolutely love them so much. So guys, without further ado, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.